Hi everyone, and welcome to the opening session of our tutorial series at the Neuromatch Academy. My name is Samuele Bolotta. I am from Italy and I'm the curriculum specialist in the NeuroAI course. I have a master's in neuroscience and a master's in artificial intelligence. In terms of my personal life, my main hobbies right now are powerlifting and hiking. I'm really excited to be one of the educators guiding you through an exploration of NeuroAI. Importantly, I want to highlight this was a collective effort. Our team of content creators, reviewers, production editors, and collaborators has worked really hard to put together the educational content that we will be covering. Today, we will explore the concept of generalization in artificial intelligence. Generalization is the ability of AI systems to perform well on new unseen data across various real-world contexts. Industrial applications of machine learning often use flexible architectures with weak inductive biases, which are trained on large, diverse datasets. Now, let's have a look at section 1. What we want to do in this first section is imagine that we want to build an app for handwriting recognition using AI. This example illuminates how the architecture, training dataset, and data augmentations converge to empower a model to accomplish a complex task. Handwriting recognition serves as a case study for discussing how AI, neuroscience, and cognitive science conceptualize and tackle problems. And luckily, we don't have to start from scratch because we can use pre-trained models. Indeed, we can rely on Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a company that specializes in natural language processing. And interestingly, it offers a broad variety of pre-trained models for machine learning, in particular for text analysis. If we have a look at their libraries, we can notice that there's one model that is perfect for our purpose. It's the Trocker model, that is, an image transformer encoder and an autoregressive text transformer decoder to perform optical character recognition. That's exactly what we need. In this section, we load a pre-trained Trocker and we interact with it to assess its generalization capabilities.